I always say, you can always visit my website at chefricardo.co.uk, and also subscribe. Please guys, leave your comments on this tip which I'm gonna share with you. Well, at a local shop today, I went to the local shop and I saw some lemon, and I said, you know what, I'm gonna share a little tips about lemon and also fridge. Well, back in the days, way back when, you know what people used to do? Or, you know, your grandmother or your grandfather or probably your mommy used to do the same thing, I don't know. Most time people cut a lemon and leave a half in their fridge, then don't know what it is mean. Well, the tips which I'm going to share with you today, when you cut a lemon into half and you put it in your fridge, you know what? It's killing the bacteria, it's killing many things. Sometimes we put things in the fridge and we forgot about it and it end up spoiled, and which we didn't know. When you use a half of a lemon in your fridge, it helps to kill bacterial or kill any form of bacteria which is going to grow so inside of a fridge, which you don't know. Sometimes it takes a little time for clean our fridge, which we not even remember because we're busy working, busy doing so many things, have the kids them dealing with, and sometimes we have a half of a lemon inside of the fridge to help you. So guys, when you cut a half of a lemon, do not throw it away. Do not say, "Sure, you don't need it half." Just put it straight inside of your fridge. It do help the fridge to kill bacteria, kill germs, kill a lot of stuff. And I want to say, lemon is very important in your fridge. It's just one of the tips which I'm sharing with you guys. Hopefully you will just enjoy the tips. Please leave your comments and please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. And as I always say, anytime you go to the local shop, you can always buy lemon and leave a half in the fridge. It is very important. Lemon is very good. And there's a tips from Chef Ricardo today. See you in my next video. She's coming out soon, which is gonna be paprika chicken and also butter rice. Remember, I'm on Ben TV tonight, live, Sky 182. Watch that beautiful steak recipe. Thank you very much.